Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Arcane, I don't know how to say it in English, season 1, episode 1. I don't know if I'm gonna post these videos, to be totally honest with you, and I didn't plan at all to react to this show. I knew that I was gonna watch it on my own, but to react to it, to make videos about it, I was wondering, because you know, I know things about League of Legends. Okay, I know the game, you know, because since 1 year now I'm supporting one French team, K-Corp, if you're wondering, if you know League of Legends and if you know the French community of League of Legends. I'm following and I'm supporting that team since 1 year now. I have 2 shirts of it. Maybe I will wear it, you know, for the 3 next episodes. I don't know. I'm following them, I'm supporting them, I'm watching games of League of Legends, so I know stuff about it, you know, but I don't know anything about the lore of League of Legends. Are you saying the lore in English? I think. Ooh, that's gonna be a mess! I don't know anything about the lore, you know, of League of Legends. I don't know the connections between the characters. I know that there are a lot of stories between them. I don't know anything about it. So to react to this show, I was like, League of Legends fans, they're gonna hate me because really, I'm beginning from zero. I'm really someone without any knowledge about it. They're gonna laugh at me and all. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna react to it. But when I told you on the schedule that I posted yesterday now on my channel and also on my Patreon and Twitter that I was gonna react to a new show, Anna, you told me on my Patreon, hey, you're gonna react to Arcane. That's a good one, and you know, some of my friends, they don't know anything about League of Legends and they love it also. Maybe people would be interested by your reactions and thoughts about it. You're tempting me, Anna! And it's even more a temptation because of the fact that for November and December my schedule is so full that already right now, without putting Arcane into it, I know that during some days you're gonna have 3 videos. So if I'm putting Arcane into it, you're gonna have 4 videos. So it's gonna be also an additional work for these 2 months, which are already full of shows and stuff, because right now I'm reacting to Attack on Titan. That's such a mess to post my videos about it. Yeah. To Death Note and to The Legend of Korra. Soon the expansion is gonna be back. The Witcher, the last season of La Casa de Papel, that new show that I want to react to it, and now Arcane. I'm gonna try it. I want to watch it. I prefer to warn you, I don't know anything about the lore. I want to try it no matter what. I don't know if I'm gonna post these reaction videos. We'll see. If you're watching this on YouTube or on my Patreon, it means that I decided to react to it, at least to the first season, so no worries about that. I'm stressed. To be honest with you, I'm really excited to discover it, because I'm gonna finally discover the lore of League of Legends in a way, and because I read that a lot of persons were really enjoying the beginning of that season, so I'm really excited about it, but on the other hand, I'm also really stressed about it, because I know that this fandom, you know, the League of Legends fandoms, I know that this community is huge, but is also really, I don't know how to say it. You're expecting a lot from people who are talking, who are doing stuff about League of Legends, and I'm not sure that you're gonna be nice, welcoming someone who is really new on that universe, who really knows nothing about it. I'm really gonna watch this show like I'm watching a new show, you know. I'm gonna analyze it, I'm gonna make series about it and all, like it's a show. If you're expecting a reaction video by a fan of League of Legends who knows everything about League of Legends, gonna anticipate stuff because that person knows already everything about it, it's not gonna be my case. So yes, I'm really excited, but I'm also really stressed, so please be nice on the comments. If you are new on my channel, welcome. And yes, as you can hear, I'm French, but I'm gonna watch the show in English with English subtitles. If you want, you have my Patreon on which you're gonna have the episodes earlier. How much earlier, I can't know right now, you know. So you're gonna have them earlier on Patreon and also with an extended or full reaction part. Extended reaction part for that kind of episodes, you know, it's at least 5 minutes more and with a longer screen. And full reaction part, it's the full reaction part. I do that for the big episodes, you know, for the ones for which I'm reacting a lot, stuff like that. It's the best way to support me because right there on YouTube, I'm a little reactor, so it's really hard, but if you want to help me on YouTube also, you can subscribe, like, comment, do that kind of stuff. Little by little, it's gonna help, it's gonna tell to YouTube to consider me a little more, you know, stuff like that. I'm excited and I'm stressed. I'm excited by the show, I'm stressed by your future comments, you know, by this community. That's the first time that you and I were gonna meet, you know, because when I'm watching the League of Legends games, you know, when I'm supporting my team, I do that on my own, you know, right there on my couch, and I'm screaming. Just so you know, I'm screaming during the games and stuff like that. I'm really enjoying them and all, but on my own. So to share that with you guys, to allow you to judge me as a new fan who knows nothing about the lore, I prefer to say it again. 5 times that I'm saying it on this intro, but it's because of the fact that I'm really stressed about this community. Really, I don't know you, so please be nice with me. And don't tell me spoilers also on the comments, because of course you know everything about the lore. Don't tell me any spoilers on the comments. Let's go for this episode 1. Full screen. Let's go. Oh, Netflix, I missed you. Since Squid Game, I didn't see you. The animation is really good. Okay, you lost your family. Oh, the music! That's what we call the origins of some characters, you know. It looks great! I mean, really the animations, the drawings and all, and this universe.
One day, I'm gonna ride one of those things.
Nah.
One day, we're gonna shoot one of them down. We get caught. We're not gonna get caught. We'll be in and out before anyone notices.
I don't know all of them, I'm just supporting one team, one French team. Don't judge me.
Oh, there. This is on you, Vi. I'm ready. That's right. So?
Yep.
Thanks.
She's rough with you. It's a lot about her character, she seems to be a cold character.
What if Vander finds out we're all the way up here? Vander's gonna kill us.
Yeah, only if we screw up. So don't screw up.
Nah, are you sort of thieves? Okay, you're there to steal things.
They think this is a real Valviani. Can I offer anything that looks valuable, Powder?
Guys? How did we find this place?
It was a tip from Little Man. Come on.
Stop! You don't know enough to do that. Just focus on the show, enjoy the show. That seems valuable. I don't want to say something wrong. No, hide. Oui. Hurry. How many of them to They saw you. You know that city well, franchement.
Man, not again. I just got this shirt.
Ah! Not again.
You're dragging this mess of yours through my streets.
Your streets.
How about you share a little taste of your treasure there, and we'll call it even.
No. We worked too hard.
Just a taste.
Just.
Nah. Ooh. Girl.
This day's turning out all right after all.
You.
Wait.
Not fair. The knife.
Wanna see how that ends?
She doesn't care at all. Bye bye. Clem? No?
Come on, Bowser. I need you.
No. Ah! Mother, it was something that she created.
You did what?
Yes, I'm not sure that they're gonna be okay with what you did.
Every time she comes, something goes wrong. She jinxes every job.
Just drop it, Milo.
There is an entire city under the actual one.
Make your choice.
What? You?
You folks need to leave us. You sure about that? So you're Vander. I don't suppose you can explain why it is that I'm hearing about an explosion and a foot chase topside? 4 children fleeing the scene. What the hell were you thinking?
That we can handle a real job.
A real job? Stop to think about what could have happened to you. Eh? To them?
You're blaming her like she has a responsibility
Why
of
did you
them.
even get this tip?
I took us there. If you want to be mad at me. But you're the one who always
She's
said
taking
you
the
earn
full
our business
responsibility.
world.
We stay out of Piltover's business.
Why? They've got plenty while we're down here scraping together coins. When did you get so comfortable living in someone else's shadow?
Yeah.
Those kids look up to you.
Yeah, I know.
You know, but you don't know. They swim, they dive in. You say light a fire, they show up with oil. But whatever happens, it's on you.
Which means that they are loyal.
We make ourselves a problem for Piltover, and they will send in forces.
So,
Oh, you did put that idiot on his arse, though, right?
Nah. He's proud of you.
Come on, Tiger. Go now.
she made a mistake.
Name one time she asked.
She's young.
Don't bullshit me. We're twice the person at half range.
You're right. There's a bunch of things Powder just can't do.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Like complain about everything.
Nah.
And brag non-stop. Problem is never knowing when to shut up. But I'm gonna help you with that. Ready? You see this look on my face? This will always mean it's time to shut up.
But
That's all. What's going on with that thing?
Give me a few seconds. The cannon pinion's still busted.
Finish it later. Vander and I need to work.
Oh, it was him, little man.
Someone was following him. A whole lot of someone's from what I heard. Not enforcers. Someone on our side.
Oh, she showed me a couple of moves to practice. Look.
Nah. Calm your excitement, kid.
Find a whole bunch of stuff Benzo would keep there for display.
How did you know where he lived?
Followed him. How else?
we're looking for the culprits.
Got a description?
Shore? Is this you? Yes, you know. The Expanse. I love.
But you go for a little walk, Miles. Enough of it.
I didn't know! I'm sorry.
That workshop belonged to the Kermans. You know what kind of stuff they had in there? We had a deal, Pamela. You keep your people off my street, and I stay out of your business.
Okay.
If I don't put someone behind bars tonight, the next time I come down here, I have an army of enforcers with me. If you change your mind, this will reach me.
Ah, you're making a new one?
On this one. Whisker.
Ah.
You heard them. I'm not a fighter. You don't have to be. I've got these. And you've got those. They never were. They will. That's where Claire got his foot stuck running from enforcers. Milo tripped over his own paint bucket and nearly fell off trying to draw a giant middle finger.
No, they can be weak too.
When I was a kid, some guy took my favorite toy and threw it up there. I used to come out here at night and stare at it.
And it's still
We
right
all
there.
had bad days, but we learn. And we stick together.
These are in my pocket. They're from the apartment.
What are they?
I don't know.
Don't
Should we show Vander?
throw one right now.
You're stronger than you think. And one day, this city's gonna respect us.
What?
I'm sorry. They just caught us by surprise.
Now it's a confidence is asking a question. It's not a risk confidence.
You were working for that guy?
The kids. It was their fault.
Vander's in trouble.
Man one? Come on, I want to know his name.
Our timeline has moved up. It's almost ready.
Huh?
The side effects.
Who is gonna eat you? Yes, because you... Yes, that's what I saw. That poor cat.
You have a subject in mind. Someone just volunteered.
Nah. That was good. That was really good. If I have to consider it, you know, just for what it is, a show, a new show that I'm gonna watch, that's a really good one. The animation is really good. All of that universe, you know, that they're creating with the city, the undercity, all of that, you know, and all of the characters, how they are done, the costumes. I mean, the costumes. It's not a real show, but you got what I meant. They really thought about everything, and you know, all of the drawings are so full of details of things, and just, you know, the fact that when we discovered the Undercity, they made that scene with seeing what was happening into the streets, you know, with all of the things with the horse, but also everything about it. It was really a good thing, you know, a good sign that they're gonna pay attention to details. Like really, they're gonna create an entire universe full of details, how it's done, how it's represented, how they imagined it, but also for the characters and all. That's great, that's really great. Oh, I'm so sorry for the lights like that, but you know, it's the morning, so the sun is coming fully into me and you couldn't see me, you know, if I didn't close my blinds. So yes, the animation is really good. The music, they really paid attention to the music, and I'm not only talking about the popular ones, you know, the ones that you can recognize and all, but I'm really thinking about the theme, you know, the music themes which are coming with the action, and also maybe with some characters. I think that we're gonna have theme characters, which is great. For the story, it's gonna be a good one, I can feel it, you know, we're following a group of kids and they are trying to prove themselves, to Vander, but also to all of that Undercity, the fact that they can do the job, you know, that's what they said, and you know, we have Vi and Powder, we are following these two girls, these two sisters, their story. That can be interesting, you know, to see their evolution, and we're finishing the episode with Vi promising that one day all of the city is gonna... I was gonna say he's gonna be afraid of her. That's not a good term for that, that's not the good word, but he's gonna know her name, you know, something like that. First scene, we had the origins of these two girls. All of the episode and how it's finishing, we can see that, okay, they are the main characters, but what they want to do is that, what they can have, you know, as allies, all of their friends, it's this and this person, but also who they can have as enemies. We already saw some of them, but we had also, as viewers, the reveal of really who is gonna be their real enemy. So really for the story, a lot of things that can be interesting. For the characters, we can see how they can be developed. So if I have to consider it really for a show, for what it is, it's a good one. But I have to be honest, during all of the episodes, and I have to stop to do that, maybe for the next episodes I have to be more focused on the action, on the fact that this is a show, and I have to stop to try to get who it is each time. I mean, to get. I didn't guess any of them, which is proving you again what I told you in intro, the fact that I don't know anything about the lore of League of Legends, and I'm really a new fan, you know, into the community of League of Legends. I'm following one team, one French team, since 1 year now, and I'm just watching their games, you know, and it's not enough to know everything about all of the characters, to recognize them just like that. So it was bad because during the episode I knew that these characters could be important and maybe they were, you know, reminding me someone, but I couldn't guess it at all. That was really bad. So I'm sorry for that, for sure, and also for myself. In fact, I have to stop doing that because it's bad also for myself, you know, to put myself into that position. Yes, I have really to watch it like it's just a show, you know, and to not be like, okay, this is League of Legends, you know stuff about League of Legends, but not everything about it. Can you guess some stuff? No. No. This first episode really proved me that I can't, so I have to stop trying. So yeah, this city up. Grayson! It's Shore? I didn't know that she was gonna play a voice, you know, into this show. I think that it would have been a reason for me to react to it. I love this woman with my heart, truly. Not only because of The Expanse and the fact that I love her character into The Expanse, not only because her voice is so wonderful and all, but also because she's such a sweet person. If you have the occasion to talk with her, you know, on Twitter, or if you have the occasion to meet her at a Comic-Con or something like that, go for it, because really, she's the sweetest person on earth. Oh, that was so cool. To have that surprise, you know, her voice coming like that from nowhere, for me at least. So Grayson and Vander, they made a deal, like, you're taking care of your guys into the Undercity and we'll be okay. My city is gonna be alright. That guy was working for Man 1 at the end. He knows that the kids made that explosion. Does he know how? I'm not sure. You know, with that thing or not. Powder, she kept some of them. How many of them? Can we reproduce that? Can she use it into her things? Aha! For sure it's gonna work if she's using them. Vi, for now, she's really the main character of this show. With Powder maybe, but really Vi is taking all of the light. She has the responsibility of that group of kids. She's strong. She's really the one who is making them strong, you know, also because she's the one giving order and all. They're listening to her. Vander said it. They are loyal to her, and if she's asking something, they're gonna do it, and they're gonna do it even more, you know, than what she asked, because of the fact that they would do anything for her. That was a good episode. I really enjoyed it. I'm gonna watch the 2 other episodes today. I'm gonna wait, you know, for I think the end of the episode 2 to be sure that I'm gonna post these reaction videos, but for now, really big and well. So we'll see. I'm not gonna watch them right now because really that light is not working for me, and I'm sure that it's not working for you neither, so I will see you this afternoon for me. Again, if you want to have my Patreon on which you can have these episodes earlier, I think that when you're gonna watch this on YouTube, I I would have posted already the 3 first episodes on my Patreon with extended reaction part or full reaction part. And that's all. See, that's my face when I'm beginning to wonder about the characters, about the story, in which direction we can go, what the characters are gonna do, and all. Like really, right there I have the impression that I just read the chapter 1 of a new book, so I just discovered a new universe, new characters, the beginning of a story, so I really have just a few little things for now, and I can't imagine a lot of stuff for now because I don't have the rules of this universe. I have the rules of the game, but not the rules of this universe, how it's working, so what they can do next, and I will see that with the episode 2. So it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now, bye. Oh, this light, it's awful. I'm really sorry to finish with that kind of stuff. I'm sorry. It's gonna be better for the second episode, I swear.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.